Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Sorry if the audio is a bit interesting. I'm using the iPad Pro mic to record this, but what I'm going to do is show you guys how to make a voiceover using LumaFusion, okay? It's actually quite simple. You open up LumaFusion, get your footage the way you want it. Technically, I suppose you don't need footage first, but usually people have footage first. And then you're going to press this bottom button here. Click on Voiceover, okay? Like I said, I'm using the mic from the iPad Pro. That's why you're seeing this here. Once you are ready to start, press this button right here. It will count down, and then it actually is going right now, so you don't have to worry about that. You may not be able to see the bar until you hit stop, but once you're satisfied, then just click this icon once again, and then it will do it for you right there. If you want to delete your voiceover, you hit the X right there. If you want to play it back, hit the play button there. If you want to re-record it, but if you're satisfied with it, hit this check, green check mark right there, and then your voiceover will stay. You can modify it however you see fit. You can render it out right then and there. It's a regular piece of in the timeline, so you can actually move it around as you need and whatnot. Hopefully this has helped you. If it has, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.